Making $10,000 a week in 2025 is achievable with the right side hustles. Whether you're building a business or investing, the earnings potential is high. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products for other companies for a commission. Focus on high-ticket products for significant income. Start by finding affiliate programs for high-ticket items like software. Promote via blogs, YouTube, or social media, and consider paid ads. Coaching or consulting can be lucrative if you have expertise. People pay top dollar for guidance in business or health. Identify your niche and offer one-on-one or group coaching. Market your services through social media and email. Dropshipping allows you to sell products without holding inventory. With the right strategies, you can earn $10 a week. Set up an online store using Shopify. Find trending products with high profit margins and use paid ads to drive traffic. Freelancing offers high-income opportunities. Specializing in services like web design can help you scale earnings quickly. Build a portfolio and target high-paying clients through platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. Businesses need social media help. If you excel in content creation or management, this hustle can be profitable. Offer social media services and create content for platforms like Instagram. Build a client base and increase rates. With knowledge and strategies, stock or cryptocurrency trading can lead to high weekly profits. Learn trading through online courses and use platforms to engage in trading while practicing risk management. Creating and selling online courses can be a profitable hustle. People invest in knowledge to improve their lives. Choose a high-demand topic and promote your course through email and social media for maximum reach. Real estate investment can offer high returns, whether through flipping properties or generating rental income. Research profitable properties and consider partnerships for investment opportunities. Offering specialized consulting services can command high rates. Expertise in business or marketing is key. Define your niche, network on LinkedIn, and charge premium rates for valuable advice. Subscription boxes provide curated products monthly. Focusing on a niche can generate recurring revenue. Choose a niche, source products, and market through social media and influencers to build a successful subscription box. Making $10,000 a week is possible with scalable opportunities. Focus on affiliate marketing, coaching, and real estate.